Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trust Wallet for BNB chain and Ethereum, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Trust Wallet, first, download the app from the official website or your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. You will be greeted with two options: create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. If you are new, select create a new wallet. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password. Create a strong password and remember it, as this will secure your wallet. After setting your password, you'll see a series of recovery phrases. These recovery phrases are essential for restoring your wallet if needed. Write them down and store them in a safe place, then confirm the phrases in the app. Now your wallet is set up. To activate BNB chain and Ethereum, you first need to add them to your wallet. Tap on the Add Tokens button on the main screen. You will see a list of available tokens. Scroll down to find BNB and Ethereum. Toggle the switch next to each token to enable them. Once selected, you can now see both tokens on your wallet's main page. To receive BNB or Ethereum, tap on the tokens. Select the Receive option to display your wallet address. You can copy this address or scan the QR code to share with others. To send BNB or Ethereum, tap on the token again and select Send. Enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details before confirming the send. Your Trust Wallet is now fully activated for BNB chain and Ethereum transactions. You can now start exploring and managing your crypto assets securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.